Hi, I'm Lisa Squire, Senior Communications Advisor with Alberta Health Services, and this is Health Matters. Today I'm going to be talking with Michelle Sauvé with the Canadian Cancer Society, and we're going to be talking about cancer support services and programs available in Southern Alberta. So welcome, Michelle. So I'm just wondering, if somebody has questions about cancer, where should they go?
Well, we have some really good resources, Lisa. So one of the most important and helpful ones is our Cancer Information Service, and it's a toll-free 1-800 number, and it's manned by trained medical professionals Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So if anybody has any questions about cancer, so prevention, treatment, medications, clinical trials, people can call that number for support. Also, through that number, if people don't speak English, we can provide translation services, so that's a really good resource. Another one is our cancer.ca website, so evidence-based, credible information. Also, there's a cancer encyclopedia there, so if you have a specific cancer diagnosis and you want to find some information, that is a great place to go.
And if somebody has been newly diagnosed with cancer, what kinds of supports are available to them?
So through that Cancer Information toll-free line, we can also connect people up with our Cancer Connection peer support program, and that's a program that connects people who have been recently diagnosed with someone who is a trained volunteer who's been through a similar type of cancer. We really encourage people to call that number because those who call it say that they're so grateful that they did. So if people want to talk to someone who's been through something they're recently being told they're diagnosed with, it really can help them. We also have Cancer Connection online community through cancerconnection.ca, and so those are chat rooms, blogs, information about community events across the country. And then the third thing that we have is our Inspiring Hope support group programs, and that's an 8-week closed support group for people in our communities who've been diagnosed with cancer.
And are there any services or programs for caregivers?
So our Cancer Information Service, the Cancer Connection Online, and Cancer Connection Telephone Support Program are all available to caregivers, and that's been about the last 4 or 5 years. We certainly understand that role of caregivers and that sometimes they are the forgotten person in that treatment piece, so we really want to encourage caregivers, if they're looking for some support, to give those numbers a call.
Great, thanks, Michelle. Thanks for being here and for joining me today. And thanks to all of you for watching. If you need support, you or your family, please contact Canadian Cancer Society. I'm Lisa Squires, and this is Health Matters.